I get the best sleep from taking vitamin D at night, and I just kind of found this out by accident. Hi, my name is Jim. If you haven't seen my videos before, I talk about thoracic outlet syndrome a lot. And in my last video, I mentioned how I'd had endocarditis twice. And sometimes I'll get this, my heart will kind of beat rapidly and kind of irregular, and it's really annoying. And I looked up AFib, which is, you know, an irregular rapid heartbeat, and see if there was any supplements you could take for that. And vitamin D was one of the things that popped up. So I happened to have some laying around, so I took a couple of them, and I noticed about an hour later my heart did seem a little bit better. So that night, same thing, I was laying in bed trying to go to sleep. My heart was kind of pounding. I was having trouble falling asleep. I'm like, you know, I'm going to take some more vitamin D. And I noticed that it kind of calmed down, and when I fell asleep, when I got up the next morning, I'm like, wow, I really slept good last night. And I've been taking it every night now for maybe 7 to 10 days, I guess, and every night, same thing, I've slept really well, because a lot of times I'll wake up in the night at real early in the morning, 1, 2 in the morning, and then I have trouble falling back asleep. And but it seems like I sleep through the night pretty well, and a lot of times I'll have to get up and pee like a couple times during the night, and it seems like I'm able to go back to sleep pretty easy afterwards. And sometimes even like when I get up in the night, I may take an extra one before I go back to bed, but it's really been helping me sleep well through the night. So if you have trouble falling asleep or sleeping through the night, it might be something worth trying. These are 500 IU tablets. Actually, they're the capsules with the powder in them. They seem to work good for me. So like I said, something that's pretty common and fairly inexpensive, and supposed to be good for your immune system as well. So might be something you could try. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.